so much. And I'm going to tell y'all something, you know, there's no I in team, right? But she says that we, y'all got to follow me, just follow me real quick. She said we are a team. So if you take the last two of the word team, it's E-M, right? T-E-A-M. So if you take that W, that M, and flip that under, you know, flip it under, it makes it a W. Right. You take that E that's in the middle, because I'm in the middle of all the council people and all that. It connects together. It says we. So yes, we are a team. Yes, so I'm a middle person. You know, I make sure once the council and mayor get everything together, I make sure that it gets pushed forward. And again, Angela Allen has been with me ever since I was elected in 2020. I brought her on board. She's been my deputy city clerk ever since I got here. Just a little backstory, I served in the California State Assembly for 6 years. And then I left there when Jerome Horton, he was the assemblyman, he was turned out. And then I came down and worked in local government here for the city for 15 years before being elected in 2020. So I have like 25 years of public government and public policy, and I'm only 27 years old. I've been doing this a long time, but I'm not tired yet. I am on the ballot. I don't have any opposition. I'm so thankful for that. So I get to serve you all again for another 4 years, work alongside. I'm not going to say hopefully. I can't wait to work alongside our councilwoman. Yes. I can't wait to see my friend, my partner, Angela Allen, become the city treasurer. I'm so happy for her. Again, working with our assemblywoman, Tina McKenna, and our soon-to-be Senator Michelle Chambers. I'm just looking forward to this woman power. I hate to say it, I know men, y'all in the building, but these women are rocking right about now. So I'm just excited, and again, you know, Gloria, I thank you because you know you have just come on board and have really uplifted the city of Inglewood. You saw that Inglewood was on the rise. Now we thriving, and you have just stuck side by side with our council, our mayor, and so we thank you for publishing good news, not bad news. We thank you for publishing the good news about the city of Inglewood. So we need people like her as well to be in our city, to let you all know what is happening. So I'm looking forward to working with you again, Gloria, you know, within these years. Other than that, Councilwoman, you won. Assemblywoman,